Hey, how's it going? I'm going to do a quick review on this electric sharpener I bought. I've had this for well, almost a year. I haven't even used it, haven't opened it. It was on sale, picked it up. So now I'm just figuring out how to use it. So this is the main unit, and this is the attachment for doing the drill bits. And it comes with some other attachments. I think for scissors. This is another one for drill bits. This is for a chisel and plane blade sharpener, and scissors. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration. Okay, so here we have the drill bit holder. So you slide this drill bit in and just tighten this down a little bit. Just to hold it. Doesn't have to be tight at this point. Then you slide this into these this groove area. These two grooves fit on there. This is just a guide for setting the depth. So now what you do is you push this guide down and you rotate the drill bit until it stops turning. So basically it's holding it in the right position. So if you have it up here, you can't really put it in the wrong way because it won't go in. So now you have it like that. Then you have to push up on the drill bit till it stops. Now you tighten it down, because there's a metal stop right in there. So now you turn it on, and then you put this in, and you just rotate this until it's sharpened. And you flip it over and do the other side. Okay, let's see how it looks. So, see, maybe it'll work. Looks alright to me. Okay, thanks for watching.